Oh, I need some lotion.
Stop! What are you doing?
What are you talking about?
The lotion, stop putting it on.
Why?
Because, just stop.
Okay, chill.
Okay, didn't your mom ever tell you that there's carcinogenic chemicals in lotion?
No.
Okay, well there is. The cetyl alcohol and the sodium hydroxide can cause cancer and can affect your reproductive system. And then the tetrasodium EDTA can give you skin irritation and cause diseases like eczema or dermatitis.
Okay, I'll stop using it.
Okay,
Chill.
good.
Here, I'll just throw it out the window.
What?
What are you doing out there?
I'm saving the environment. The cetyl alcohol in it is gonna kill all the animals and plants out here.
Alright, down the toilet it is.
Stop! What are you doing? The lotion's gonna go down into the water, then go into the lake, and then the sodium hydroxide in the lotion is gonna poison all the fish.
If these chemicals are so bad, why are they in it?
Because each of them has a specific role in the lotion. Okay, so like the cetyl alcohol in here, it acts as an opacifying agent, which means that it makes the lotion non-transparent.
So if it wasn't in there, it'd look like this?
Yeah, exactly. It'd be see-through. Okay, so the sodium hydroxide in it, the lotion, makes it easily absorbable. So when you put it on...
It's gone.
Wow!
So what about the tetrasodium EDTA?
That's a chelating agent, so basically it decreases the reactivity of metal ions in the lotion.
What about the benzyl alcohol?
That decreases the viscosity of the lotion. So like when you squeeze it out of the bottle, it comes out slower than like honey freeze. See, that came out really fast. Yep, good job.
So now I know what the chemicals do, but how do you make the lotion?
Okay, so first you want to start with an oil base, which we already put in our bowl. And then we're going to add all of the powdered ingredients into it, okay? So do you want to hand me you want to pour some sodium hydroxide in here? Okay, thank you. All right, so the sodium hydroxide, it's a white solid. It has a very high boiling point. It's like over 1,000 degrees Celsius. And when you touch it, if you want to touch it, it's a little slippery, you know? Okay. I'm going to pour the other powder in here. No, just, you know, because these aren't, the ingredients we talked about aren't the only ones in it, so we have to add everything else. Alright, so next we're gonna just pour once we mix this up well, we're gonna mix all the other ingredients in here, except for the water, okay? So, do you want to hand me the cetyl alcohol and just pour that in here? Yep, just pour it in there. Alright, so this is a waxy white solid. Its melting point is a lot lower than the last one. It's only like 50 degrees Celsius. That's not that bad. You want to throw in some benzyl alcohol now? Okay, perfect. All right. This, as you can see, it's a clear liquid. We're gonna use it. It melts in there nicely. It's a liquid at room temperature, as you can see. Its melting point is about -15 degrees Celsius. And you want to put in the tetrasodium EDT last. Perfect. So that's the crystals, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna mix all of that in there. Alright, so I think we are ready to pour in. See, we gotta mix them really good. I think we're ready for the water phase. So you wanna pour a little bit of that water in here. Mix it nice and good. Thank you, that's good, that's good. Alright, we're gonna mix all of that very nicely. Yep, the water contains emulsifiers and stabilizers, which will keep the lotion together and working. We're mixing the oil that was in here, and in order for this to happen, in order for the lotion to actually become a lotion, we're going to have to put it in very high temperature, between 110 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on what kind of viscosity we want. So we're going to put that in there, and then we'll get back to you guys.
Is it time yet?
No, not yet. Oh, there it goes. There goes the alarm. You can turn it off. We got our lotion. All right, so time passed. We put it and we mixed everything. All the compounds bonded, forming new substances. Now it actually looks like lotion, right? Yep. So we're just going to add some coloring to it so it's not white, and some fragrances, and then it's good to use.
Guess I won't be doing this no more.